Craft art takes many forms, from handmade furniture and jewelry to clothing and stained glass. Craft artists create these and other handmade objects and digital products to be functional works of art. Craft artists work with many different materials to create their pieces and may also use fine art techniques, for example, painting, sketching, and printing, to add finishing touches to their products. Some craft artists earn a living from selling their work, such as potters who make bowls and plates to sell in shops, or tattoo artists who may produce drawings of their designs on commission from customers. Other craft artists use their skills to develop patterns or models to guide the production of an item. Most craft artists spend a lot of time promoting their artwork to potential customers and building a reputation. Many have another job to support themselves financially. Craft artists may also sell their work at craft shows or via their own website or online merchandising websites to reach a wider audience of potential customers. A degree is typically not needed for craft artists. Instead, they develop their skills through practice, increasing the complexity of the projects they create. Some attend classes offered by colleges, art centers, museums, or other artists.